Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to an episode of J Vlogs. I know I've been MIA for a while, haven't been uploading any videos or anything like that. What I'm doing right now is basically just saying hello to everybody that subscribe, everybody that is on the channel, that continue to support me, new and old. I really appreciate each and every one of you. However, I've been so tired and out of it. I haven't been doing any videos at all. And what I would like to do is to basically just make this video asking you to give me topics that you want me to talk about, ideas that you have that you would like me to discuss. Because the channel, again, it's basically me sharing information and giving information and helping people, encouraging people. So it's not a case where I can't take your advice or I don't want to. I want that should be the case. I want that to be the case where I'm able to hear your responses, hear your feedback, hear your comments, and basically make a video that you will like, that other people will like. The videos that I made, people like that clearly, and you guys comment and share and stuff like that. So I'm just asking you if you have any topics that you want me to talk about, whether it be the new developments that are going on in Jamaica, stuff like that. Just so I can actually stimulate my mind where video is concerned, where topics are concerned, because I have so much other stuff going on in my life right now. Whether it be taking care of my bills, planning for vacation trips, stuff like that, that is occupying my time that I can't even put my mind towards coming up with ideas. It's not that I don't have more ideas, I do, but at this very moment my mind isn't on it because I'm so focused on other stuff, like just taking care of myself, bills and stuff like that. I'm not stressed or anything, trust me, I'm not. But I still want to be able to put out video. I still want to be able to be creative and unique. However, um one mind alone can't think of everything, so a collective you know thought process is better in terms of ideas. Just give me a topic and I'll do some research and speak on it. So that is what I want you, my gingerbread and jelly bean, to do. Topics that you're passionate about, things that are going on around the world, and I can be able to touch into that and give my own views on it and my own insight, and then we have a discussion below, whether you agree with me or not. What is your idea of said topic that you guys are going to bring up. So that is what I really want to do. So I'm just making this quick short video and upload it. Yeah, and I might what I might do, I probably just might do more short videos like this and just upload it without editing or anything like that, so it can just get out to you guys so you guys can actually see. So in the comment section below this video, just comment things you want me to talk about. That'd be things in America, things in Jamaica, stuff like that. Just share your ideas and just say, Mark, what you think of this, or yada yada yada, or how you feel about this or that, and let us have a discussion. So thanks again for watching J Vlogs. I really appreciate you guys. I'm still alive, I'm still here, I'm just tired. I work 3 days straight, get day off today, work tomorrow, then day off, and then more work again. So yeah, just doing adult stuff. Well, thanks for watching J Vlogs again. I'm going to end it right at 4 minutes. So thank you very much again for all your support, and sorry for being away. Alright, let's leave your topics below and I'll talk about them. Thanks again. I'm out.